here we go. This is gonna be a legends practice. You'll start seeing guys come in. We just talked to Keelan a few minutes ago. You see in the video right on the other side of the 78, there's old Brax, he's here. Kyle's up in the spotter stand, we just saw him a few minutes ago. It's the legends, I believe there's like 28 to 30 legends, I believe, here at Hickory. Pretty cool. I'll let you guys get a look over here at the legends, and they're actually, there's some down this way. They're all starting to get rolling here in a minute. That guy's buckling in. Brandon Lopez in the 6. He runs for a late model every now and then. Goes Isaac Kitzmiller running across the racetrack.